Hans here, Harbor Freight Mini Mill project. I'm about to recut the dovetails on the table of my mill, and I need to make sure that I have the head trammed on my larger mill, so that way I will make straight parallel cuts and the cutter will make a flat pattern on the piece. Because of the precision that I'm going to be scraping this to, I don't want to create extra work. So I place an indicator on the spindle of the mill, and I rotate it around and I look at the reading. And so I have the indicator set at a spot where I'm trammed up pretty well right now. So as I traverse around the table, you can see that it always lands on the 7/1000 of an inch tick mark. So now I rotate over here and then look again, and you can see that it stays on 7. And then, so you need to do 4 points to get all the way around. So there, I have the head trammed. I'm ready to mount up my table for my mini mill. That's all for now.